Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things investing. In this video, we will explain what fundamental analysis is, how it works, and provide you with some examples of how it can be used. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of what fundamental analysis is and how it can be beneficial in making informed investment decisions. So, what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating the intrinsic value of a company's stock by examining its financial and economic fundamentals. This includes analyzing the company's financial statements, such as its balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement, as well as other economic factors, such as interest rates, industry trends, and competition. The goal of fundamental analysis is to identify undervalued or overvalued stocks and make investment decisions accordingly. One of the most popular metrics used in fundamental analysis is the price-to-earnings (PE) ratio. The PE ratio is calculated by dividing a company's current stock price by its earnings per share (EPS). For example, if a company's stock is currently trading at $50 and its EPS is $5, the PE ratio would be 10. A higher PE ratio generally indicates that the stock is overvalued, while a lower PE ratio suggests that the stock may be undervalued. Another important metric used in fundamental analysis is the debt-to-equity (DE) ratio. The DE ratio measures a company's debt relative to its equity, and it's calculated by dividing the total debt by the total equity. A high DE ratio can be a sign of financial distress, while a low DE ratio indicates that a company is financially stable. Fundamental analysis has several benefits for investors. First, it allows investors to identify undervalued stocks that may be poised for growth. Second, it helps investors avoid overvalued stocks that may be at risk for a market correction. Finally, it provides investors with a long-term perspective on a company's financial health and growth potential. So, that was a brief overview of what fundamental analysis is, how it works, and a few examples of popular metrics used in the analysis. Remember that fundamental analysis is just one tool in your investment toolbox, and it should be used in conjunction with other methods of analysis, such as technical analysis. With a little practice and patience, you can become a successful fundamental analyst and make informed investment decisions. Remember to subscribe for more videos on investing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.